Hey, welcome back to this Python interactive tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's start off by creating a short program that displays hello world. In Python, we use the print statement to output text. Open your Python IDE and see it in action. I'm going to use PyCharm IDE to try this. Okay, if you have PyCharm installed in your machine and gone through all the settings or how to get it running, you should have a window like this. I've just undocked my output terminal and place it in the middle here to make it much easier to see. So we want to run our first program by printing hello world. So it's print, and you already got IntelliSense as helping you out because we are now calling the function print function. Now we know print function must take an input, which is a string hello world. Unlike other languages where in C we will put a comma there, Python doesn't need that. Just like this, hello world, let's run it. We print hello world in our terminal. If you follow all the instructions on how to set up your PyCharm, you should be able to run the code like this, or a simple Python idle IDE. Congratulations, you have written your first program. The print statement needs to be followed by parentheses, as we have seen, which enclose the output we want to generate. Printing text. The print statement can also be used to output multiple lines of text. As we see, we can have 3 print statements following one another, and running the Python script will output 3 lines on the output screen. Each print statement outputs text from a new line. Python code often contains references to the comedy group Monty Python. This is why the words spam and eggs are often used as placeholder variables in Python, where foo and bar will be used in other programming languages like C, for instance. Quiz time. Write a Python code to generate the following output. Now we can see the output is lined up A, B, C. This is obviously its print statement that are being called. So we have to write a Python code that will output in this order, A, B, C. Let's do it. Now that's going to be very easy to implement. We already know printing, calling a print function and including hello world will output hello world. So if we change hello world to A and we print, we're getting A. But now we need to print A, B and C. So basically we can just copy this and another line, and we change AB in capital and C. The program wants us to end on a new line, and if we run this now, we should be able to have A, B and C in our output console. That's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.